Actually, it's not as easy as it seems, especially when you are so used to using makeup. You tend to develop a technique of masking what you look like, or sometimes who you really are. But just like the powerful scent of durian, your true self will reveal itself no matter how hard you try to hide it. Whether you add caramel to your macchiato, you are still a cup of coffee. So my first tip for the best no makeup look inside you and see your natural beauty. I'm sure you're beautiful because we all are. People may sweetly agree, but some may take it sourly. But as long as you feel good inside, their opinions don't really matter. Always remember that nobody is perfect and beauty comes in different forms and sizes. This rambutan looks so ugly, but it was so sweet. Beyond our insecurities and imperfections, there's always something good about us. Natural beauty is constant. You simply can't go wrong with all natural. And on a different note, natural food is good for your body and for your skin too. Now, let's remove all of these makeup and take care of the natural beauty that we are all born with. Let's stop the motion of skin aging. Enough of the drama for now, and let's continue with this makeup tutorial. I discovered a brand that holds the secret key to slow down the skin aging process. Tip number 2 for this look: take very good care of your skin. It's a skin and face that you will wake up to in the morning without makeup. If you can do something to maintain or improve it, why not, right? Here I'm using SK2's Pitera Essence. Soak the cotton with a solution and pat that all over your face. When you have covered your face and neck and the cotton is still damp, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes on your face for extra absorption. Expect my mustache to grow faster. Headband change, I was quite annoyed with the previous one. Next, moisturizer from RNA line. You can give yourself a free facial massage at the same time. That face though, smooth. Here comes my favorite part, eye cream. And I think I don't have to tell you why. Apply it inwards from your eye bags to your eyelid and outer corner. Maybelline Baby Lips for the lips. Now, since this is a no makeup look, we're gonna skip foundation and BB cream and we will use the CC cream mixed with Illumination Aura Essence for that blooming natural glow. I'm not sure if this comes in different shades, but this product is actually on the light side and it might be a little grayish for some people. If you're a woman of color, I would suggest using tinted moisturizer or BB cream, of course. The CC cream has little to no coverage, so for my under eye area, I'm gonna apply this cream concealer. My under eye area is not really dark, but I have double eye bags, so I'm just gonna apply this light concealer on the area where the shadow is being casted. It won't really cover my eye bags, but somehow it will reflect light into the darker areas of my under eye. Leftover concealer on my nose bridge, of course. Here I'm dabbing this lip and cheek tint from Rosie's Vanity on the apples of my cheeks. With a light powder, I set the concealed areas and blend the blush to make it more natural. Onto the brows, I'm using K Palette Eyebrow Tattoo and I'm applying it with a very light hand and drawing some short, feathered strokes. And filling in the rest of my eyebrows with a light powder from Milani. Since my hair is light, I also tinted my brows to the same color. I'm using the same light brown to slightly deepen my eye socket and bringing that down to contour my nose lightly. Then I tight-lined my eyes using this black gel liner from LA Girl. I also extended the upper lash line a bit. Somehow inspired by my golden hair, I lined my eyes with gold and set and smudged that with brown powder. And Maybelline Falsies Mascara for my short lashes. And again, the lip tint from Rosie's Vanity. This is the finished natural no makeup look. Would you wear this kind of makeup or you dare to be bare? Hey, we still got time for hair! Lego! You can wear your hair down by making 2 rope braids in front as a headband, or a simple messy updo by wrapping the top ponytail around the lower bun. But I actually have this philosophy called messy hair, don't care. And that's it. Thank you for hanging out with me. Stay beautiful.